Good day, viewers. This is Tutor ABC, and I am reporting direct from Mmuta. On the board, we have an interesting topic: linear equations, and of course, the subject mathematics. In mathematics, there are so many types of equations, but we are starting with linear because that is the simplest equation you can ever encounter in mathematics. Okay, so we have problems that we are going to solve, but before we solve that, let us know what equation is all about. Equation is simply expression that is connected with a quality sign. That is, you have a particular parameter or variables at the right hand side and equally variables at the left hand side. And you are saying that the value at this right hand side is equal to the value at the left hand side. That means certain values or certain quantities or there is something that will happen for that to be true. Watch this balance scale. If you have this balance scale is balanced at this point, it is at the state of equilibrium, because this side nothing is here and nothing is equally here. If you add a quantity, let's say 5 kg, and you don't add same quantity here, then there is a problem. You have to add that same quantity of 5 kg, whether you have 2 kg, 2 kg, and then 1 kg for their mass to be the same. If you add another quantity here, you must equally add that quantity for both of them to remain the same. That goes on to tell you that whatever you do to right hand side in solving linear equations or any equation at all in mathematics, equally do it to left hand side. So if you add, let us say if you add 10 kg to this without adding to this side, you will see that this is going to outweigh this side. That means equally add 10 kg in order for both of them to be balanced. So if we have something like 4x, or let us say x is equal to 10. This x is on this side and this 10 is on this side. You are asking, what is this value that will make both sides balanced? And what will make this side to be on the same level with this side is when x is equal to 10. Okay, so if you have, let us say if you have x minus 1 is equal to 6. Imagine this to be the left hand side and this to be the right hand side. Now, what is going to be this value? You know that everything here should be 10, as here is 10. Now, what is going to be the value of x for the both sides to remain balanced? The value of x is going to be 11, because 11, if you subtract 1 from it, you are going to get 10. That explains linear or you say simple linear equations. Let us take some examples. Okay, so if you are given x plus 1 is equal to 2. How do you solve it? You start by saying that, okay, let us say the a part, x plus 1 is equal to 2. How do we solve this? Remember, whatever you do to right hand side, equally do it to left hand side, aside multiplying and dividing by 0. Because we don't multiply both sides by 0 in mathematics. If you do that, your equation is null. And you don't divide both sides equally, because whenever you divide a number by 0, you get an undefined expression. Okay, so in this case now, what do you do? If you watch it, you can equally ask yourself, what is that number that will be added to 1 to give you 2? And the answer is 1. But mathematically, we shift this plus 1 to this side. And when plus crosses the sign of equality, we are going to get minus. Therefore, we have x plus 1 minus 1. I am subtracting 1 from both sides this time around. Is equal to 2 minus 1. This positive 1 is going to cancel this negative 1. I have x is equal to 2 minus 1 and x is equal to 1. If you don't want to do it this way, you can simply say shift this to this side. When plus crosses the sign of equality, you get x is equal to 2 minus 1. Okay, thanks and God bless you.